here beside you. Want so much to give you, this love in my heart that I'm feeling.